EveryPlate unboxing number 3. Came earlier this afternoon. We just brought it in from outside. Amy's going to cut it open and we will see what's inside. It's like Christmas. I even forgot what recipes we ordered. So
more coupons. And here are our recipes for the week. First, herby Parmesan crusted chicken.
Herby. That's herby?
Herby.
That's interesting.
With garlic mashed potatoes and roasted zucchini. Troy's favorite, zucchini.
Ugh.
Second, honey ginger pork chops with sesame roasted broccoli and carrots. Again, Troy's favorite, broccoli.
We're all for 2.
And third is smothered and stuffed meatloaf with potato wedges.
All right.
Well, that looks really good. Looks really good. All right. Like we said last week, we did decide to, when we unboxed, to start dividing these into the recipes into sacks and putting them in our fridge, and that worked out really well. There's a lot in here this week.
The box is bigger and different shaped. What is that?
That is, it looks like a piece of bread.
That's interesting. And a green pepper.
Scallions.
Megan Scallion again.
Broccoli.
Ugh.
Health food, broccoli. Another piece of bread. And we have some panko breadcrumbs.
Panko, that's my favorite. I love panko.
Pepper jack cheese.
Ooh, pepper jack.
And it looks like some sour cream. Zucchinis. We are going healthy this week.
Interesting.
What do we have here? Some Parmesan, more sour cream, and Italian seasoning. This is some sort of creamy soy sauce.
Some sort.
Some sort of. And it's all kind of mixed down in here.
Get to the good stuff. Where's the meat?
Ugh. Carrots.
Yeah, that is not the good stuff.
More Parmesan. More sauces. And I'm literally going to take this sack out of here so that we can see what's in this sack. More broccoli. Green pepper. And a whole lot of potatoes. Here's an onion. It is packed this week with stuff. More pepper jack, some honey. These are sesame seeds. And these are seasonings. We have ginger root, folks. More ginger root.
More ginger root.
We have some garlic. And more seasonings. And then if you look down in here, the rest are all potatoes.
Regular potatoes or sweet potatoes? Regular.
Those are regular potatoes. Looks like I left one seasoning down in here. All right. I'm going to set the potatoes to the side. See what's in the rest of the box here. All right. We have ground beef. And I wonder if it says how lean. 80% lean, 20% fat.
Oh. We usually eat leaner ground beef from that, so we'll see how that goes.
Pork chops. And we have chicken breast cutlets. And our free item again is the beef ranch steak. And it looks like we have another chicken breast cutlet. And that's all she wrote.
All right, well, stay tuned. We will see as we cook these up how they taste and how it goes.
Troy just took my saying, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.